Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making Turkish Lahmacun Pita, a crispy, flavorful flatbread often called Turkish pizza. Get ready for spices, fresh herbs, and a thin, perfect dough. When a tray of hot Turkish Lahmacun Pita comes out of the oven, the smell hits you first. Warm spice, roasted meat, toasted dough, and a bright hint of lemon hang in the air. The edges are browned and crisp, the middle is soft, and the thin topping glows with red tomato and green herbs. Turkish Lahmacun Pita is a thin, crispy flatbread topped with seasoned ground meat, herbs, and spices. Many people call it Turkish pizza, but it has its own style and character. It is light, easy to eat, and perfect for rolling up with fresh salad. This guide walks you through what makes this traditional Turkish street food special, how it compares to pizza or regular pita, and a simple way to make a Turkish pizza-style flatbread at home, even on a busy weeknight. Understanding Turkish Lahmacun Pita, origins, taste, and key ingredients. From Turkish street food to your table, a quick history of lahmacun. Lahmacun comes from Turkey and nearby Middle Eastern regions, where bread and meat have always gone hand in hand. In many Turkish cities, it is a classic snack from small bakeries and street shops. You see long wooden paddles, quick hands, and blazing hot ovens. The dough circles are topped, slid into the oven, and baked in just a few minutes. Families often order a stack to share at home, along with salads and yogurt drinks. Over time, Turkish migrants took lahmacun to Europe and the US, where it started to appear in kebab shops and Turkish restaurants. Today you can find lahmacun in big cities across the world, yet it still tastes like something straight from a busy neighborhood bakery. What makes Turkish Lahmacun Pita different from pizza or regular pita bread? Lahmacun looks a little like pizza, but it eats very differently. The base is much thinner, closer to a soft tortilla than a thick pizza crust. There is usually no cheese at all. Instead, the surface is covered edge to edge with a very fine layer of spiced ground meat and herbs. The baked bread is soft in the center, with lightly crisp edges. Instead of cutting it into slices, you spread it with fresh salad, squeeze on lemon, then roll it up like a wrap. Pocket-style pita is thicker and used for stuffing. Lahmacun uses a flat, pita-style base that is meant to be folded or rolled, not filled. Here is a quick comparison. Lahmacun is very thin, soft with crisp edges, with no cheese and a thin meat and herb layer. Italian pizza has a thicker, chewy crust, with cheese, sauce, and varied toppings. Pita bread is thicker pocket bread and usually filled, not topped. Classic lahmacun ingredients: dough, meat, and fresh toppings. The base of Turkish Lahmacun Pita is a simple yeast dough or a very thin pita-style flatbread. It should be soft and easy to roll, but not heavy. On top goes ground lamb, beef, or a mix of both. The meat is blended with onion, garlic, tomato, and sometimes bell pepper. Tomato paste or pepper paste gives color and depth. Fresh parsley adds brightness. Spices like paprika, cumin, black pepper, and a little chili bring warmth without turning it into a very hot dish. That's how you make the perfect base and seasoning for your Turkish Lahmacun Pita. In the next part, we'll show you how to bake, roll, and serve it like a local. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.